The Gambia participates with funding from the African Transitional Justice Legacy Fund, have launched a participatory video of victims on land conflict. Working with the communities of Kafuta, Lamen, Makumbaya and Mandinaring, the documentary gives the victims a chance to give voice to their unheard ordeal. Loliam Kamara attended and Sina reports.
The video documentary seeks to give members of these aggrieved communities who have not appeared before the TRRC to tell their untold stories about how they feel have been denied access to lands that they strongly believe belong to them and which they use for socio-economic activities and sustenance. Stating the role of Gambia participates in the video making, Taslima Jallo, Programs Manager Gambia Participates, says there is a need for such issues to be addressed, adding land disputes can divide families and communities.
We have seen it divided families or neighbors or close people, just because everyone wants to occupy or own a land in the name of just having a property in your name, but not by following due process. And we've seen other countries where land conflict has caused war.
Anel Kingwe, Grants and Programs Officer, ACJLF, gave a detailed explanation of their role in the transitional justice process and the implementation process.
Our primary mission is to support civil society and victim or survival-led initiatives to undertake pioneering transitional justice approaches in West Africa. We also seek to enhance civil society and state-led intervention to advance participatory and locally defined transitional justice projects in the selected African countries.
SEEK continued to say that through their grants and technical assistance, they seek to empower civil society and communities to engage with government and local authorities to address past problems and promote justice for victims affected by conflict. Maimuna Mane, a representative from the International Center for Transitional Justice, and Lamin Jai from Victim Center have this to say.
The TJ process must be inclusive, and this must include women, youth, and the minorities. There are various consequences that are linked to the lack of inclusiveness in the transitional justice process, one of which is that the experiences of the victims are not considered, and therefore our transitional justice process that we have here in the Gambia would be a missed opportunity.
Having done that as a country, still it is our utmost responsibility to come together and work as a nation and work as a group to ensure that those who were affected are definitely stood by, show solidarity so that they can get redress.
Aminata Conte, a victim of land dispute, delivered the launching statement. We hope that our long-time struggle will be finally over thanks to Gambia Participates, because the sadness we experienced during the former regime is beyond imagination. Sunkaru Kinte, also a victim, shares his nightmare.
1994,
Since the start of the issue in 1994, until now, nothing has been done to address it. From the former regime to the current regime, nothing was done.
At the end of the event, participants were allowed to watch the participatory video that was recorded by direct and indirect victims. Gambia Participate is a pro bono civil society organization that works around but not limited to strengthening anti-corruption work, physical transparency, elections, transitional justice, and rural community development in Africa. For QTV News, Lolly M.